Okay, we are back. I think this is bag 5 of everything I bought on the Highway 127 garage sale that since I bought it and packed it in the car, I don't remember. So we're going to see what's in this one. This bag wasn't very heavy, so I'm not real sure what we got going on in here. Oh, yes. One of my favorite things. Find the pants. 1970s, maybe early 80s leisure suit. There is the jacket and the matching pants. I'm in love with this. There's another one too. Yeah. Green striped. Let's see if there's a brand in here. Do. Sorry. Stand by. Oh, there is no brand. There is. It's got a Union label, made in the U.S. Let's see if this one had a brand. This is a Vancourt tailored quality. All right. And then I think the green one has pants too. Yeah. Pants. Oh, the green one also had a vest. There we go. Ah, the blue one did too. Every day's like Christmas, I'm telling you. Alright, there's the one that goes with the blue one. And this is a Covey backpack. I think I ended up buying 4 or 5 of these on the trip, but here's one. It's got to be something Christmas. What am I looking at? Okay, a very shiny Christmas fuzzy cardigan. What's happening here? It's got the pockets that has a reindeer with sequins sticking out of it. This one has candy canes. Patagonia hoodie. Yeah, there's not much in this one. Oh, another Patagonia hoodie. This one has the graphic on the back. Another Christmas sweater. This one has a penguin on the front. And the last thing in here. This one must have been one of the last ones. Oh, this is a corduroy chore coat, barn jacket with the Sherpa lining and collar. That one was an easy one. Okay, so that was bag 5. I think there's 4 more in the car. We'll go through another one tomorrow. And thanks for joining me.